Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Diamond Paints with Mike here, and it's that time again. It's time for an Amazon unboxing. I swear December's been the most month of unboxings, but there's so many to get through. I thought I'd chuck in a couple of additional ones throughout the week. It will be intermittently, so it won't be every day, because I have to break the schedule up a bit. But inside here, you may have seen it recently on Temu. And in Temu, I got a 20x30 lighthouse. It was like a lighthouse with like a garden gate or something on the beach. And then the other day on Amazon, I found exactly the same painting, but in a 30x40, and I was like, oh my God, I've got to get that. So I got it, and then I sent the 20x30 back to Temu, because I was like, Temu only did that size, and I'm not really a lover of 20x30. So to get this in a 30x40, I'm just really, really happy. I'm really hopeful that this is going to be a good one. So, yeah, it looks like it's a rolled up one. So, or it's one of them ones that have that separating thing here. Oh, right. Someone's had a pinch with the barcode there. Wow, yeah. So we'll get into this, and I was like, I'm so getting a 30x40. This was literally only $2.99. Couldn't believe it. It was a really cool price. So let's get into here and see what we got. So we'll take that out, and then we'll take out the drills as well. So hello, we've got a double bagging going on here. Normally they're not put in this thing, but they've resealed it in the same. Was it really worth that? Could they not have just like put it all in that? They've double bagged it, like what the hell? But yeah, I've been using a different locker. I normally use the one that's up near the Royal Mail Post Office. Sorry, the Royal Mail Depot up Chalice Lane is called Chapek, but I've been using the one up Rifle Hill, which is called Sunglasses, and they come so much earlier. Like the one up Chapek is like 3 o'clock nearly every day, 3 o'clock. But the one up near Sunglasses, the other locker, Sunglasses, which funny enough also has a co-op, that always seems to get there like 10 and 11 o'clock in the morning. So I'm using that one moving forward. And yeah, it is very wrinkled up, but oh yes, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, obviously this painting's going to need a bit of training because there's half a dozen folds in this. But as you can see, I'm going to try and get all this on the camera for you. It's a lot bigger than that 20x30 one. So as you can see, we've got 25 colours on the Shimmetic there. This is a 30x40. I get quite a lot of this code in the J ones, and as you can see, we've got a few seagulls, the pesky seagulls. If you're in Clapton on the sea, if a seagull's hovering, if you chuck a chip in the air, the chances are it's going to grab it. Don't have chips near seagulls because they're going to nick them. They will literally come up and try and nick them out of you, of your hand. I've seen videos on TikTok where a seagull's gone in the shop, nicked a bag of crisp and come back out again. So yeah, let's just check the stick. Oh yeah, that's good. And then down here, so I would say, I don't know if it's a lighthouse, but I'm calling it a lighthouse. It's just this tower thing that's got windows on it, and it's got some bushes and stuff. And then in here, you've got that lovely ocean with the gate, and then someone's garden here. So I really like it. Now, there is a place, I think it's Cornwall, there's a rock. Tiger Lily might know this, but there's a rock, and then there's like a little rope bridge, and it has another rock with a house on it, and the only way to get to that house is across the rope of the rope bridge. I don't know where it is. I think it's Cornwall, but anyway, let's take a look at the drills. First of all, we've got the baggie. As you can see, we've got no bags in this one, sorry. And then let's take a look at these ones. So these are our drills. Very sort of pastel colours going on here. We've got the light blue. Hang on. Sorry about that. We've got a teal. I love that colour teal. I've got a scarf like that. We've got a red, or if you're in France, a rouge, because rouge in red in French is rouge. And then we've got a brown. I'm very certain that's for Hobie. We'll have to marry that up. Keep an eye on that, guys. If I say I need a colour, it's that colour. I'm pretty damn sure. We'll check next month because we're doing it in January. Then we've got a lilac, and then we've got a peach, a blue, a brown. We've got a mauve colour, another sort of, I'd say turquoise, that one. There's a jewel just fell on the floor there, so they must have single bagged it. We've got a light blue, a brownie mauve, that gorgeous minty green. I love that colour very much. A very sort of army green colour there. Pretty shitty colour, that one. And then we got a red and an orange and a brown and a black and a very beautiful pastel colour there. That's a peachy and a pink. And let's take a look at our ones that just fell on the floor there. Probably a 3865. Let's have a look. It is 25 and 25. Yeah, 3865. You get used to the colours when you've been painting so long. And then we've got a brown. We've got that sort of pinky peachy colour there. A lovely, beautiful turquoise there. Very vibrant and a lovely sort of... I don't know, it's not a teal, it's not a turquoise, I don't know what you would call that, but that colour there as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with this, and it's funny because this painting has been on my Temu wish list for so long, and I've been hunting for the 30x40, couldn't find it anywhere on Temu. They only had the 20x30, and then this cropped up. I didn't actually search for it, it just said, here's one you might like, because when you put diamond paintings in your basket, there's then ones that crop up that are recommended. It's almost like they know what you're into, and it popped up and I was like, right, that's it. I'm so sending back the Temu one, because I could keep it, but I don't really enjoy working on 20x30s. My favourite size is 30x40. So yeah, I thought I'd send that one back and get this one instead. So it costs a little bit more, but I'd rather have the size that I want. And even the seagulls, I mean, you can't really see their face, but they are detailed. So I'm really looking forward to this one. It reminds me of a programme called The Durrells, very similar to Wild at Heart. The Durrells was a drama set on... I think it was Corfu Island, and it gave me that sort of vibe. I felt like it was the Durrells coming back. It was only ever one series. I don't think there's a continuous series on it. It's just one set series and that's done. But anyway, enough blabbering on. I talk for Britain. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And we've got more unboxings coming up very soon. There's stacks upon stacks of backlog trying to do. But throughout December, I will be doing a few other unboxings just to try and ease that backlog. And then come the new year, we'll be bringing it back into the Wednesday slot. But until then, have a lovely day, get buying on Amazon, and we'll see you next time. Bye!